What is Power Query? Power Query is a tool designed specifically for the dirty, messy world of working with data. We can't do anything with data if it's not clean and useful. So when data comes to you, all nasty and full of duplicates, inconsistent entries sprinkled across a bunch of different sources, you gotta know Power Query. Power Query brings a broad set of tools specifically for cleansing, merging, wrangling data, getting it to cooperate, so that you can do other things with it: analysis, forecasting, dashboards, tracking progress, segmenting lists, whatever you need. Simply, Power Query makes your life easier. It gets your data to cooperate. So come on in and join me in this course. What do you need before starting this course? There are two ways of thinking about that. First of all, you just need a desire to get your data to act right. There are a lot of basics that you can get out of this course, like splitting a column by a delimiter. To do that, you just need to know what a comma looks like. That's all. The second way of thinking about this, in order to get through the entire course, it would help if you already know how to sort and filter, write a basic if statement in Excel, and create a basic pivot table. If you can do those, this course is definitely for you. If you can't do those, it might be a little tough, but you'll get through. You can get through with enough desire.